Hello friends, this is my second part of pattern program. In my previous video, I have shown you how number patterns can be created with some tricks. I hope you have seen that video. Those who haven't seen, please watch the video to understand the character patterns easily. I have given the link in the description box. As you know, I am going to show you some character patterns. So over here, you can see there are 6 patterns. These character patterns are basically based on number patterns. Let's start with first pattern. In left side, you see a number patterns, and in right side, you see a character pattern. To convert a number to a character, we have to know the ASCII value of corresponding characters. ASCII value of capital A is 65, B is 66, and so on. So Z is 90. Now let's see the process. You can see a left aligned number patterns, and I have made this by 2 loops. You can see these are 2 loops. First loop is based on slanting values, as vertical values are all equal, so I have taken slanting values 1 to 5, that is 1 int I equals to 1, I less than equals to 5, and I plus plus. And the inner loop is based on 1 2 3 4 5. So for int j equals to 1, j less than equals to I, because I have taken slanting values for outer loop. So it is I over here, and j plus plus. System.out.print j, and then system.out.println for jump statement. After that, if you add plus 64 with all of these numbers, then you get this one. So accordingly, I have also added in program in system.out.print j plus 64. I made it, and our result will be 65, 65, 66, and like this one. Then we have to convert each numbers into ASCII values, and we will get this one. So I made this. I typecast the j plus 64 to character format, and we will get the result, this one. Now I want to show you all the patterns practically in bluej IDE. This is bluej IDE. We have to create a new class. I named it pattern 1. Delete all the contents. This is the basic format of a Java program. Our target is this triangle. Our target is this triangle. So we have to create a corresponding number pattern. It should be like this. It needs two loops, one outer loop and one inner loop. Why I have taken this one 1, 2, 5? Because all the vertical numbers are equal. So we have to choose this slanting values 1, 1, 2 and this one 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it should be 1 to 5 and the inner loop will be j equals to 1, j less than equals to 5 and j plus plus, because horizontal values are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then we have to choose the relationship between these two loops. As I have chosen slanting values, the I will be placed over here to make a relationship between these two loops. Now, if I run this program, it will generate this one, this number pattern. Let's see. Yes, you can see a number pattern, but our target is character pattern. ASCII value of alphabet A is 65. So the difference value between 1 and 65 is 64. So I add 64 to this number with J. Now it will be 65 onwards. So after that we have to typecast this one to make it in character format. Now compile. We can see the character pattern. Now our second pattern is like this. So our number pattern should be like this. So I made it three loops because, as I already stated, right aligned pattern needs three loops. I run this, we'll get this pattern. Yes, we achieve it. So our program is like this. Now our third pattern is like this one. You can see clearly there is a gap between every characters. So it should be a number pattern also. Only add a space in system.out.print. It will generate our required pattern. You can see our next pattern is this one. So its corresponding number pattern would be this one. So at first we have to identify what would be the loose value. You know it should be two loops. And the first loop would be 5 to 1 and second loop value will be 1 to 5. Why it is 5 to 1? Because vertical values are all equal, so we have to choose the slanting one. This one. And the relationship between the loop will be I should be placed here because we have chosen slanting values. So our number pattern is ready. We have to make it in character format. typecast this one and add 64 to J. Now our character pattern is ready. Our next pattern is this one. So our number pattern would be this one. As it is right aligned, we need 3 loops. We have to place a loop over here, just inside outer loop. Now compile. We get it. Our last pattern is like this. You can see I placed a space between every characters. So we have to just add a space here. It will generate our required pattern. You can see our required pattern is ready. Thank you. Keep watching. Have a nice day.